Type in a title for the measurement rule. Define the measurement row description. Use variables to define the measurement rule, based on the work item's unit of measurement. Use Ctrl+Enter to access the Variables panel. For some fields, the corresponding variable is already highlighted, if available. Create an associator categories, and WBS structure if necessary. Complete the creation of the measurement rule. You can change the measurement rule. Save the measurement rule as a model, to use it in future projects. A BoQ measurement model for the chosen entity contains price list item, selection criteria, measurement rule. A template, by definition, contains several models and allows you to account for a specific part of the building or even the entire project. Select the measurement and highlight the entities accounted for. Select the measurement row to highlight the corresponding entity. Automatically select all entities relating to the measurement. View the adopted selection rule. A for automatic, M for manual. In manual selection mode, the option to remove an entity from the BoQ is active.